Imagine checking into a rental that's contaminated with mold or infested with insects or filthy. It's a situation no one wants to find themselves in. I'm consumer advocate and journalist Christopher Elliott, and I'm here to work through this with you. VRBO's Book with Confidence guarantee is designed to protect you from dangerous or unsatisfactory vacation rentals. But what happens when it fails to deliver? If you book a rental that's not safe or clean, VRBO should take care of you. It may offer a hotel stay or a refund. It may also tell you to negotiate with the owner for a refund. But don't take no for an answer. For dangerous rentals, you should always escalate and push for a full refund. I've seen cases where renters have been forced to leave a property due to hazardous conditions, only to be told by VRBO that they're not eligible for a refund. That's not right. If a rental is unsafe, you deserve to get all of your money back, no questions asked. The key is to know your rights and to be aware of any exceptions. Escalate your issue or contact my advocacy organization for help. We've helped many renters get the refunds they deserve, and we can help you too. VRBO's Book with Confidence guarantee is only as good as the company's willingness to enforce it. By understanding your rights and the exceptions, you can get a refund even when VRBO says you can't. Remember, it's always worth asking, and sometimes it's worth fighting for. Visit my website for more travel tips and advocacy resources. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss another terrific video.